I'll do this one first and then I'll do the water. Hi everyone, it's JT Ippolito. Thanks for coming back, Eileen. We're at CES Unveiled, giving you the scoop of all the latest and greatest technology, bleeding edge before it gets announced to everybody. They're going to explain to me this hybrid drone, and Dr. Wader is going to explain it. Do you want to go ahead?
Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm from E3. E3 is a non-profit research organization.
Really?
Yep. Today, this is a high payload hybrid drone. The difference is we use the hybrid. That means we use both the gasoline and the battery. So the payload is pretty high. It's around 30 kg to 50 kg.
Whoa.
And it can fly last around 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Whoa.
Yep.
That's great. We need hybrid because once the battery conks, you're really screwed. And fortunately, there's another product in the same booth. Thank you, Dr. Weaver.
Yeah, thank you.
And we're going to let him describe to you what I consider a great water product.
Hi.
This is.
We are also. I'm Jack.
Okay.
We're also from Ichi. This is the technology used UVC LED, which comparing to the current UVC mercury lamp. This is much safer,
Much.
friendly to the environment, and the biggest selling point is instant disinfection, bacteria, virus, and also those volatile organic compound. Like so, those are like the smell you can get from the furniture.
Yes.
Those are very effective by using UVC LED. All right.
The
So,
smell of a new car on the inside,
Yes.
the plastic smell.
right. So by attaching this to your water pipeline just before the faucet, and it can run in battery.
How beautiful is that? This
Yes.
is going to come out next year?
Yes, this we have this already. This year will become available.
Okay, here
Yes.
in the U.S. And the name of the product is?
This will. We are still thinking of
Okay.
very sexy name.
Okay, website yet?
It will be on E3's website.
E-Tree.
itri.org.tw.
Bingo. These are two amazing products you guys need to follow. Anything that's hybrid gives you much more distance, greater capacity, and anything for clean water is worth it. So this you're going to grab for your house. I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. Thanks, Eileen. JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network.